Cockatiels are known for their ability to mimic sounds, including whistles, tones, and sometimes even words. While they're not as proficient at talking as some other parrot species like African greys or Amazon parrots, some cockatiels can learn to say a few words or phrases with training and repetition. However, it's important to note that not all cockatiels will develop this skill, and even those that do may have varying levels of proficiency. Factors such as genetics, environment, and individual personality play a role in determining a cockatiel's talking ability. If teaching your cockatiel to talk is a priority, patience and consistent training are key.